we want to line these up, and it's all about the dot, right? And every number has a dot, it just may not be visible. So if we line it up nicely, we're gonna be good to go. 49.9 minus 48. You see how the dots are lined up like that? 5, 1. But we don't have a digit here, it's short a digit. Well, remember, there's an infinite amount of zeros that go to the right after the decimal. So we can just throw on a 0 there. Because it's there, we just didn't write it. And now we can subtract this, no problem. 0 can't subtract 1, so we're going to borrow a 1 from here. And that makes it 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 5 is 3. Dot. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 4 is nothing. So our answer is 1.39. 1.39.